Hello everyone and welcome to Boywitheng. I'm RV, the boy with English dreams. Hello English friends. Today's story is called 10 Minutes with English. Listen first, then shadow the sentences. Speak with the story. Part 1, a new routine. My name is Arjun. I am a student. I want to speak English well. Every day I feel a little shy. My English words are in my head, but my mouth is quiet. One evening, I sit at my small desk. There is one notebook on the table. There is one blue English book next to it. I open the book slowly. I say to myself, today I will start with just 10 minutes. Part 2. The first try I press play on a slow English video. A calm voice says, "Welcome to your English practice." I listen carefully. Then I hear one short sentence. I wake up early every morning. I pause the video. I repeat the sentence. My voice is soft. My tongue feels heavy. I make small mistakes, but I keep going. For 10 minutes, I listen and repeat. Sometimes I copy the sound well, sometimes I do not. That is okay. Part 3, a tiny habit. The next day, I am tired. School is busy. My homework is long. I look at my desk and think, maybe I can skip today. Then I remember my promise. Only 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes with English. I sit down. I open my notebook. I press play again. I listen. I shadow the sentences. I move my mouth. I try to copy the music of the voice. When the 10 minutes finish, I smile a little. I write one line in my notebook. I did it today. Part 4. Small changes. After 1 week, something is different. The words come faster. My tongue moves more easily. At school, the English teacher asks a question. My heart beats quickly, but I remember my practice. I raise my hand slowly. I say one short answer in English. My voice is not perfect, but it is clear. The teacher smiles at me. My friends look surprised. Inside, I feel warm and proud. Part 5. Speaking to the future. That night I sit at my desk again. The room is quiet. The yellow light is soft. I talk to my future self. I say, "Dear future Arjun, keep going. You are building a strong English habit. You are not lazy. You are brave." I imagine myself after 1 year. I can speak in class easily. I can travel and talk to new people. I can learn from English books and videos. All of this grows from 10 minutes a day, just 10 minutes of listening and shadowing. Ending. Call to action now. It is your turn. Listen to this story again. Then shadow the sentences with a loud, clear voice. You can also write your own small story. Use simple sentences about your day. Read it every night for 10 minutes. Remember this line: small steps, every day, big English. Thank you for practicing with this video. Comment below. Like if this helped your English, subscribe to Boywitheng for more boy-to-boy stories. See you next time. Keep dreaming big.